Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we will learn how to install Premast Plus into Google Slides. In Google Slides, click on Add-ons, then Get Add-ons. Search for Premast Plus. Once a pop-up, click on it, install, then Continue. Choose your account, then give access to Premast Plus to your Google account by clicking Allow. Done, and now you are having Premast Plus installed in your Google Slide account. You can access it anytime from add-ons. You will find it right there, Premast Plus. Click on it and a window will open. All you have to do now is sign in. Thanks for watching this video, and we will share more about how to use Premast Plus in Google Slides soon. Bye.